Hey everyone, my name is Holly Hogan. I am in Physics 133 and with American Military University, and I'm working on lab number 4, which covers buoyancy. So I've got my lab directions here. Kind of have those pulled up, that way I can reference back. So here is the shape for the boat that I ended up with. It's kind of like a little egg shape, and I had to mess with the design a little bit before I could get it to float. So the sides are a little higher and the bottom is just a little bit thicker. It ends up looking like a little Easter egg. And then here is the ball that I made of the clay to see if it would sink or float. And here I have my water. Spin it around. There's my 150 milliliters. So the first thing we need to do is check this ball to see if it will sink or float. And it sunk right to the bottom. Definitely didn't float at all. So I'm going to use these feeder tongs that I have here to kind of get the ball out. That way I don't mess with the shape of the ball very much. And then next I'm going to take my little boat here that I ended up with and very gently place it into the water here. Try and be very gentle with it so that I don't mess up the design of the boat. And it's floating, and I was very happy that I was able to come up with the design. Tried to model it after the boats that I've seen being in the Navy. Did not work out. I don't know much about boat building, as it turns out. So the next thing we need to do is add washers here into the boat to see how many will float in the fresh water. Now, after I take that measurement of how many washers that my boat will hold in the fresh water, I'm going to add the salt water to it and see what the difference is in the results. And I'm going to use these tongs here because I want to be really gentle so that I don't upset the boat and cause water to flood the hole and, have to start over. So let's just keep kind of adding them in. If I can actually grab them, that would be nice. Let's see. Maybe if I be gentle, I can just drop them in. Okay, that's 2, 3, 4. Okay, so, 3. My boat can successfully hold 3 washers before tipping over. Okay, I'm going to pause this for just a second. That way I can add my salt water and continue on with the video.